Hello, lovely human. We already opened our dream beach resort and I've shown you part 1, which is the story ng Seacoast Suites Calatagan. Then part 2, the empty hotel tour. And now we are here for part 3, the realest behind the scenes videos before we opened. Let me take you back to 2023. We visited the property in Calatagan and we saw this beautiful space. Meron pang bahay na nandyan and kinailangan pa namin gabain before namin tayuan ang bago. Hello friends, nangiistorbo ako dito sa warehouse kasi etong documents natin sa Calatagan. Ayan, dapat kasi Maria Teresa, nilagay ng architect Riza Sebastian. So, kailangan naming palitan lahat to. Tapos, ayan, itong mga iniistorbo ko. Si Mary, si Gra, ayan. Sasakalin na ako ng mga to. So, I have a meeting 4 p.m. sa Tagaytay para dito. So, kailangan matapos ng 2:30. All the best to us. Laban. Today is April 17. This is us. Now, ito na ang ating reception. Ito ang mga rooms. Ayan na. Then, meron na rin tayong mga bakod. Access to the It is July 11, 2024. And this is our update. Meron na po tayong second floor. Meron na rin reception. Nakikita nyo na rin yung mga stairs. And I'm just so excited to welcome you guys very, very soon. I'm so excited. Bye! Hi friends! Welcome to the vlog. Today is date day with Josh. Supposed to go to Tepanya kasi na-cut off kami. So, change of plans. Yung lista kasi ng dinner later is 3:30 pa. Right now, it is 12:35. So, we have 3 hours to kill. Gagawin namin ngayon is punta muna ng Wilcon for our Calatagan stuff. So, exciting! So, friends, we are now looking for a toilet. A water closet para sa Calatagan. And para matest natin. So, ang gusto ko kasi, yung wala masyadong thingamajig's. Katulad nito. Yan, yung mga ganong magulo sa... Gusto ko flat. So, ang contenders natin ay this one and this one. Pero, another thing na gusto ko i-check is kung komportable ba pag inupuan. Kasi di ba may mga water closet na mataas. So, parang nakaganon yung paa mo. So, ito, looks okay. Ito naman, sabi ni Josh, kakaiba kasi medyo pa-square siya. So, I think it also makes sense kasi kung upuan ay pa-square, baka mas protected to sa mga tao. Tapos pasok din siya kasi may ganito. Hindi siya mahirap linisin. Ito kasi yung mahirap linisin na part sa mga toilet. Ang gusto kasi nating tiles is yung malapit sa semento. Ang peg kasi natin is parang cement finish. So this one I also like price-wise. And kasi yung iba nasa 1,105 per box. Tapos 4 pieces lang siya. Whereas ito, sabi ni ate, hindi naman daw siya mag-phase out anytime soon. And that is really important for us kapag pumipili ng tiles. Kasi baka mamaya, parang sa gitna ng construction, di ba, maubusan. So, important na hindi mauubos agad yung tiles or mag-phase out anytime soon. We are done for the first phase of our, ano ba tawag dito? Furnishing? Finishing? Fixtures? Yeah. Good morning, friends. I am currently canvassing stuff for the resort. And ang mahal ng lahat. So, nag-iipon ako ng mga suppliers, whether local or international. Tapos, kino-compare ko lahat, like mattresses, mga hotel supplies, linen. Ang mahal lahat. Mga mare. It's August 5, 2 months before we open. And I'm excited kasi magsha-shopping na. But at the same time, the money that goes with it, I'm not so excited to spend. But let's do this. I need to focus and do this anyway. We got this. Yes, we are testing mattresses today. I'm thinking if we are getting the hotel quality one or yung ano pa rin. Ngayon naman, we are trying out sofa beds. Let's see kung okay ba yung quality niya. I'll try. It looks so flimsy. Why, hello friends! It is Zicov Calatagan Errands Day. I am on my way to pick up the family so we could all go to IKEA and run errands for Zicov Calatagan. Well, si Louie, yung sister ko, agenda niya is to buy something for her new house kasi lilipat sila ng husband niya. And tas ako, syempre ang agenda ko dun ay mamili for Zicov Calatagan. I'm just really so excited. And yeah, let's go! Hello friends! We are currently here at IKEA with the family para sa errands natin for Calatagan. Ang main goal ko lang talaga is to see things or check out things that I wanna buy online. Kasi gusto ko na siyang ipa-deliver diretso sa property sa Calatagan. Kasi nakita ko yung delivery sa website, mas mura compared to buying it here. Tapos dadali namin doon. Ayun lang. Hello.
Hello. Musta po?
Anong ginagawa natin dito?
Dito po tayo sa IKEA. Kinabahan ako bigla. Naka-nervous wala mag-content creation.
Hindi, kaya mo yan.
Tinutulungan po natin si Louie Mag.
Yummy!
Hanap ng gamit para sa bahay niyang bago.
Yes.
Siyempre, kompleto kami, epal na epal.
Of course, it's always a family thing. Ayan, then nagtatry kami ngayon ng mga ano. Pero parang maganda nga talaga yung firm sis, no?
Ayoko na.
Kesa to, extra firm to eh.
Mas gusto ko yung firm to.
Mas fan ako ng firm.
Ako din.
Joke lang! Hello friends, and hello, welcome to the Seacove vlog. It is September 7, 2 days before 9/9, and ang ginagawa ko right now is tumitingin ako ng mga pwede kong mabili sa either Shopee or Lazada compared to the websites ng Wilcon or IKEA or Furniture Source or kung saan man. And then I'm checking kung ano yung pinakamura para makabili ako and maka-check out just in time for 9/9, and if meron din ba silang deals, etc. Tapos ngayon, before I shot this video, ang tinitingnan ko ay mga switch designs. Light switch designs. And mga, alam mo yung mga socket, mga 3-pronged socket. And ako, particularly, gusto ko talaga yung mga universal sockets, yung mga 3-pronged devices or mga, kung may mga foreigners na pupunta sa Seacove, at least makakapagsaksak sila doon. Plus, I also am looking at different colors ng sockets. Dito ako natatagalan and iniisip ko kung ano yung bagay sa design ng mga rooms and ng hallways, ganyan. So, ayun lang. I'm currently just enjoying it. But I need to double time kasi it's 9:30 na. I only have tonight and tomorrow para kapag check out ng mga kailangan i-check out. Ayan. Bye. Hello friends, it's been a while. I am on my way to Dapitan to find Christmas stuff for Let's Glow, yung lights for Calatagan, mga pang-design for our Laia property, and mga konting pang-design for Christmas dito sa bahay. I will be with the family. Lagi akong excited kapag sila yung kasama ko. Alam mo yung never na-drain yung social battery ko kasi honestly, they recharge me. As in, talagang pagkasama ko sila, tawa lang kami ng tawa. And I'm just so excited to laugh so hard today. Anyway, it is, oras na ba? Maybe around 8:30 a.m. And we'll take you along with me sa Dapitan. Let's go! Hello everyone! We are currently here at Dapitan to shop for Christmas decors. Dapitan time. Hello friends, it is October 1, 2024 and I am so anxious for my life. It is currently 6:55. I usually wake up at 7:15, pero nagising ako ng medyo maaga today. And ayun nga, I woke up really anxious kasi October na, and we are set to open Sea Cove Calatagan by October 26, if I'm not mistaken. But I'm still far from being finished. Ang dami pang need gastusin, ang dami pang need i-construct, and na-announce ka na on social media that we will be opening October 2024. And in my head, I'm acknowledging the doubt right now na parang shit. Magagawa ko ba to? Magagawa ba namin to by end of October? But I don't know. Honestly, we still lack funds. We opened up a few more equity slots, co-owner slots, kasi parang may mga unforeseen gastos. But I can't afford to panic. I cannot afford to worry so much. I can't afford to be paralyzed kasi walang ibang gagawa nito. Walang ibang kailangang mas mag-focus kundi ako. I still have to hire. I still have to procure. I still have to produce money. Andyan din si Josh, of course, to support and to help me out with this. Kaming dalawa naman talaga nito. My house is a mess, but one thing that I'm really proud of myself right now is that I feel like I'm in a fight and flight mode, but I'm more like in a giggle focused mode. Surprisingly, I am not panicking. Surprisingly, okay ako, because I feel like these circumstances are moments where the universe and the Lord is testing me if am I really made for this? How badly do I want this? Kaya ko ba talaga to? But right now, again, I am just acknowledging my thoughts. And I know I can do this. I know the universe has my back. I know people trust us. And we are, alam mo yun, we are genuinely nice people. I am kind. I know I can do this. I can't be distracted now. I need to focus. I only want to focus on the positive things, the things I need to do. Because right now, on top of my head, it's finding money, hiring people, procurement, SOPs, designing the place. And I only have 25 days left if I want to open October 26. Do I want to open October 26? Let's see my calendar. Yeah, that's a Saturday. Or maybe I open on October 31, which gives me one more week. Universe, please. First, Lord, please. Help us get through this. Help me get through this. I know we've all been working hard. I know. Ang kalat ng bahay. I got this. We got this. We got this. Kaya to. Anyway, I'll prepare na. Working out in a bit. Also, alam ko rin balang araw, babalikan ko to. Shit, Riz. Kinaya mo yun, be. But yeah, I know we got this. I know the universe will lead me to someone, some people who would help me with this. The universe has my back. The Lord will guide me. I got this. We got this. We shall never give up. It's also really nice to be able to document these anxious things, like things that makes me anxious, situations that makes me anxious, because it's never perfect. Your plans, your business plans won't go your way. Life doesn't care. Pero yeah, kaya ko to. Kaya ko to. I also read this quote from Instagram kanina. I think people who go through hardships or people in business, like really going through that hard stuff in business, can relate to this. I want to read it to you. It's supposed to be hard. You're supposed to have moments of doubt. You're supposed to have days you don't want to do it. You're supposed to make sacrifices. You're supposed to challenge yourself and push your limits. That's the price that has to be paid to separate yourself from the pack. Stop being average and to do anything worth doing. Stop trying to avoid it. Stop searching for a shortcut or an easier path because it doesn't exist. Feel the doubt and hear your excuses, but show up anyway. Because the world doesn't care how you feel. And the only way to beat the resistance is to face it. All great things must be earned. So learn to fall in love with the challenge, the sacrifice, and the discomfort, and use it to your advantage. This fucking thing is hard. Damn. All I need to do is face it. Face it anyway, even if it's difficult, even if it's hard. Ang sakit ng tiyan ko sa stress, kakain na ako. Hello friends, this is Seco of Sweets Kalatagan Diaries. It is October 5, 2024. And hindi ko alam kung nakwento ko ba sa inyo last video na naghahanap kami ng dagdag na co-owners for the Seco of Sweets kasi honestly na-hurt kami ng pera dahil since first time namin tong gagawin na malaking resort, hindi namin na-foresee na ang mahal pala ng ibang mga kailangan bilhin like mga kama, linens, curtains, ganyan. And nung una, akala namin kaya naming bunuin ni Josh, but hindi pala. So we just were really self-aware and we said kailangan pa natin ng help. So at first, I was really hesitant to ask for help, but I realized as I get older, especially dito sa negosyo, pag nanegosyo, kailangan nating humingi ng tulong. So in short, a week ago, I was so anxious of where to find money. But then again, as in lahat na, ginawa ko. I manifested, I prayed, law of attraction, ganyan. And then we really focused on, finding money for the property. Kasi konting-konti na lang. And ngayon, the reason why I'm filming is because I'm excited ako to say na nahanap na natin yung kailangan nating funds for finishing Seco Sweets Kalatagan. Oh my God. I am looking at opening October 26. It's October 5. Hindi ko sure kung magagawa ba natin to, but I want to claim na magagawa natin to. It's just 19 days, tama ba? 19 days before the opening. Wish us luck. Oh my God. Okay, yun lang. Sabi ko dito sa journal ko ngayon, we effing made it. October 4, 2024. Now, it's a Saturday. It's been a long week of stress and finding money. It's the first day of the week na mapipirmi ako sa bahay. So, I'll just go ahead and clean. That's the plan. I'll just go ahead and clean. And then, for the first half of the day, I'll work out. And then, after that, I'll work again for Seco Sweets. Ayun lang. It's really very challenging putting up businesses. But it's where I find, honestly, the dopamine hit. I really like it when I figure something out. I really like it when I'm, alam mo yun, in the midst of the struggle, tinatanong ko sa sarili ko, shucks, ano kayang magiging solusyon dito? Or ano kaya yung turnout nito? Or ano kaya yung mga lessons na matututunan ko dito? I know it's kind of weird, but I sort of thrive with challenges. I thrive with stress. Yan lang. Thank you. Thank you guys for listening. Bye. Hello friends, Seco Sweets Kalatagan update. It is October 24, 2024. Today yung landfall ng Bagyong Christine and unfortunately, yung site nabaha. Resort mismo, hindi naman siya nabaha. Pero yung labas ng resort, yun yung Karatig areas, nabaha siya. Alpin na lang, okay naman daw yung mga staff namin doon. Meron lang silang mga gamit na hindi nasalba, which is very sad. So, supposedly this weekend, October 26, yung opening na gusto kong i-manifest before. Nung na-move siya, I felt na parang na-move na naman. Pero ito pala yung meaning ng universe. So, if alam mo yun, if natuloy ng October 26 yung opening, wasak-wasak pala. So, buti na lang. Also giving you an update na yung next opening natin will be, hopefully, Lord please, universe please, on third week of November. So, I'll keep you updated. For now, I'm just happy na yung team namin is safe doon sa Calatagan. There you go. See you around. Bye. Hello from future Riza. Fast forward to today, I still couldn't believe na open na yung Sea Cove, and it just made me so grateful and so proud watching the clips right now. And sobrang grateful din talaga ako sa sobrang tinding support system that we have. Like community-wise, family-wise, friends-wise ni Josh. Kasi during the construction, sobrang baliw na talaga kami, as in. Di namin alam kung paano pag tatagpi-tagpiin lahat. Alam mo yun, finance-wise, then may mga bagay na out of our control. Pero ayun lang, if you got this far from the video, maraming salamat sa support, and stay tuned for part 4. We will be showing you the days before the soft open yan. Dami ding hassle nun. So, I can't wait to kwento. I can't wait to show you the clips. So, yun lang. If you got value from this video, if you want to support this channel especially, please don't forget to comment on this video. I really love seeing your comments, or even liking this video, or even sharing this with your family and friends. Ayun lang, maraming salamat for your support. Again, I'll put all the links ng Sea Cove over here, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!